This is amazing.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Open the sun. Can you see it coming down from up there?
No.
This is amazing, everybody. We don't see much snow like this in California. We're going through the Grapevine, which connects Northern California with Southern California. This is Highway 5. And this is amazing. We're not used to this. I guess for Easterners, it's pretty ordinary this time of year. Not for us.
Open it, we can have a little snow.
Oh, you mean you can open it and we can let some snow in through the roof? No, thank you.
Maybe a little cold.
No, thanks. we can just look at it. We don't need to feel it.
It's somewhere that it's still getting these directions to somewhere. I don't know where it was set the last time that it was used.
And this is my sister Tina driving. And this is my sister-in-law Joy.
It's snowing!
In the passenger seat in the front. And this is me. Oh, I don't even want to show me because I'm in my traveling comfy
Ensemble.
clothes. Yeah, my traveling ensemble. So, this is California, everybody. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Signing off.